Welcome back to the NDTV-Aircel Save Our Tigers telethon. We are here in Ranthambore, but activities related to the tiger have been taking place in many centers all across the country. Let's go across now to our Mumbai hub where Mirza is there along with some children out there. Dia, you took part in the telethon last time also by going out into the jungle spotting tigers. You got some kids there with you as well this time.
Yes, I'm with some of my favorite people in the world, children, and we're at the Nehru Science Center. I have young Aishwarya here, who has written a poem and done a rendition, her very own rendition of Kolavari D, which is going to spread the message that we're all trying so hard to do. So you take a call. What do you want, the poem or Kolavari D?
Both. Both. Carry on. Which of them is going to go first?
So which one are we going with?
You tell me.
Both
is what the vote was from here.
Okay, you're not making a choice. You're leaving it to me.
Both.
Leaving it to you.
We want both. And the button has already been pressed.
Yeah.
You can
Okay,
start
both,
now.
Aishwarya. Let's go with the poem first.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, I had written this poem for after the tiger poaching incident that took place in the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. It's titled An Exercise in Futility. A handsome male tiger was walking in the forest one night in search of a prey that he could kill at sight. The moon shone bright as the tiger stalked the woods, not knowing that a poacher wanted to kill him if he could. Stealthily into the forest the poacher had entered, and this male was the one on whom his focus was centered. When at last the tiger came in sight, he picked up his gun and fired with all his might. The sound of the bullet pierced the silence of the night, but the world slept through the tiger's plight. The evil mind had done his deed in return for money that would satiate his greed. As the tiger lay dead on the forest floor, the poacher's greed grew even more. Apart from skin, he took his claws, followed by his bones and then his paws. Money to him was such a temptation that he butchered the tiger without any hesitation. Punishment for this crime he did not heed, as there was no proof of him committing this evil deed. And money always could buy him bail and save him spending his term in jail. Wonder why he left the tiger's soul behind. Guess it's the only thing that's not valued anymore by mankind. With poor enforcement of laws safeguarding the animal rights, I guess saving the tiger is proving to be a futile fight.
Oh my God. That was Aishwarya, who's very young, but has, an absolutely thought-provoking poem there. I think she's a reflection of young India that is sincerely committed towards making this fight a plausible one and changing that, giving us hope, making us believe that there will be change, that we need to keep going at this. Should we go with Kolavari D now?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Go ahead, Aishwarya.
Okay, I'll just sing the second verse of it. Forest la tiger, tiger body stripe color black, tiger eyes bright. Why this Kolavari day? Why this Kolavari day? Forest rat, tiger body stripe. Poacher tiger meat, tiger future dark. Why this Kolavari day?
Thank you,
Thank you so
Aishwarya. We do hope that this can become an anthem of sorts. Since it is a very popular song, let's make this the new anthem.
That's why I changed the words of it.
Yeah,
I'm glad
terrific.
you did. Thank you. What do you think about that, Vikram?
Super, Dia. This is Amitabh here. Well done. And please give my congratulations to Aishwarya.
Thank you, sir. I feel so deprived. I can't see either of you. I can only hear voices, and thank God they're so distinct.
No, but we can see you. We can see you and hear you very well. And thank you so much for being there and doing this great job for us.
And you're lucky you don't
Thank
see
you.
some of us.
One last thing before you leave us, sir. Thank you. This very young, special child here has a donation to make for us. She's going to be handing us a check today, and I think she's set a very, very wonderful precedent amongst us here.
I had collected this money as on my neighborhood only. I had gone and collected, so it's 20,000 that I am donating.
That's 20,000 rupees from Aishwarya here in Mumbai, collected from her neighborhood.
Fantastic.
Well done.
Fantastic.
Well done.
Thanks a lot, Diya. Thanks for being with us again, and do thank Aishwarya from us. It's really a lovely gesture that she's made. Thank you so much. Bye. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Diya. Thanks very much.
India's #1 news app. Just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.